Hi everyone, Jim with This Old Coach Everything RV. Today's video is going to be on roof maintenance and the tools and the things that you're going to need. Well, the first thing you're going to need is about a 20-foot ladder to get on top of your 11-foot RV roof. And the tools that I have are going to be a pump sprayer, a scrub brush with a handle that you can screw into the scrub brush, a hose, a little bit of bleach, a little bit of simple green, and I'm going to show you what to do when you're using the little light bleach solution. Make sure you're hosing down the side to make sure it's not going to affect the stickers. And anyways, so let's go ahead and get to it. I'm going to try to get right to the point, no fluff, straight business, my friends. Okay, so I'm going to go outside and show you the tools, and then we're going to get on the roof. See you in a minute. Okay, back at it. So here are some of the tools that I'm using. I just got one of these HDX bleach sprayer. You can pick that up at Home Depot for about 15 bucks. And a bottle of Simple Green, a couple bottles of bleach. I've got this pole with a scrubber on it. I have my hose, which I'm going to show you what to do to keep that hose up there, keep it from falling down. And over here is my 20-foot ladder. So what I like to do is pour the bleach solution in, and I usually do about 50 to 1, or 2 parts water to 1 part bleach. And so you fill that up. I put about a cup of Simple Green, or you can use Dawn dish detergent as well. That helps break down the dirt. And then I add, I fill it up to maybe about half with that, and then the rest water. And so it's not a super strong solution, and it helps get rid of the mold and mildew, and you'll see in a minute. Well, the first trick I like to do here is tie a piece of rope, probably so you got maybe about 15 to 20 feet. And what you do is you tie it around there, and you secure it up there, so that way the hose isn't coming down on you. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Just tie a quick knot, and maybe there's my knot. If you just fold the rope in half, and then lay it on the bottom, and then run these 2 ends right through that loop, that's going to hold that really nice and smooth. Okay, and as you can see, I came up and secured the line to the ladder, which will keep all the weight from falling down. And you can see, if I walk this way, you can, you have all the hose you need to go back, so it's not pulling you off the roof. And you can see my roof, how incredibly dirty it is. Shame on me. But when you see the difference, it's going to be an amazing difference in the way it looks. And then we're going to inspect the end caps and all the places that I have lap sealer. But let's go ahead and get the rest of the equipment up here, and we'll make it happen. Okay, so I've got the camera pointed downwards so that you can see, not me, but what's going on here. So let's go ahead and get started with our first process. When you get your stuff, make sure you shake it up really good so you get a good mix. Okay, everybody, as you can see, there's a huge difference between the clean area and the dirty area. Now, one of the things you want to do as well is make sure you clean that really good, because we're going to come back and we're going to inspect all that lap sealer, because you don't want to have leaking in the cap area. But I still have quite a bit of buildup. This little algae or whatever has gotten on here, so I want to make sure I get all that off first before I move on. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and try that. Okay, now let's take a closer look. Okay, so not done and done. I mean, look at how nice that is. Really is something else to see the transformation in your roof. And then, of course, like I said, get around in your lap sealer areas, or all around your lights. If you got lights in the front, make sure that they're all cleaned off in all the areas where you see that lap sealer. And make sure you, again, spray down the side of your car. Okay, I put my second coat of cleaner on there again because I want to make sure it gets all that algae off. Okay, we call this turning around in the film industry, where you turn the cameras around and point different directions. So we went and got, again, this all around the vent, and car job. So let's go ahead and take a peek at what we got. Well, as we can see, it's starting to rain here in Nashville, but this is the job complete. My little footsteps from coming up with, but I think that came out really good. And so we gotta do a little rinse down some more on the sides to get the remaining product off, and that'll be our final step. Hi everyone, just wanted to say thank you for taking a few minutes to watch the video on how to clean your roof and roof maintenance. If you have any ideas about how to clean a roof or solutions that you might use, please make a comment in the comment section. I would love to hear about it. Anytime that there's a better product for me to use, I always like to try to get that product and at least try it out. And you know, so if you've got some ideas, let me know. Also, if you have any other ideas on information that you'd like to have, maybe that I have that I could share with you, I would love to hear about that in the comment section. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And anyway, well, you have a blessed day, and I hope that your RV experience is good. I know it's the winter time right now, but spring is coming soon. Okay, you guys have a great day, and God bless you guys, and we'll hope to hear from you soon. Bye-bye.